Hello everybody, welcome again to my channel Dialux Evo Learning Made Easy Part 4. So far we have learned details about dialects and all of you are familiar with what is dialects and the basics and the user interfaces. Now in this Part 4 I'm going to teach you how to import a drawing plan to this dialects platform to do a lighting design. So let's see how we import. When you open dialects, as you know that this is the window you are seeing now. See import plan DWG. DWG means it's an AutoCAD drawing. So I'm going to click this one, select the drawing, okay, go to this open. You can select whichever is your favorite AutoCAD drawing to work on, or as I told you in my previous class, that if you can draw this little drawing, then it will be nice because it is not complicated. This drawing will be continued throughout because this is a completed project, as I told you. Okay, now we got this AutoCAD drawing. I imported this. Okay, when you import the drawing, the first thing is you set the coordinates, in the sense that you should not have the deviated coordinates, then it will be a problem later. So first thing is you just see this coordinate. Okay, come to this one. I set the coordinate first here. Okay, so it goes to this x direction. The coordinate is set. You see this one, this is 0, and here also it is 0. So x and y direction the coordinate is set. Now the second part is about the scaling. Now I have imported the drawing. The drawing scale or the units, I'm not very sure what scale am I getting it. Okay, sometimes what happens is from AutoCAD, if you are transferring the drawing from layout to the model, sometimes the scale may differ and it's a problem. So always it is better to check the scale so that you will not have a mistake. Okay, now see this, select the units. Now you go to this. If you are very sure, I have to tell you this, if you are very sure that dimension of the drawing is very correct and the imported values are okay, then you can choose, go for meter or centimeter, whatever it is. Otherwise you can go for this user defined. So user defined means you have to define the scale. See here, this room, I marked this specifically in my AutoCAD drawing so that we will have an idea about the measurements. See, this is 940 into 1290 millimeter. Okay, that means 0.94 into 1.29 meter. 0.94, as you can see, it is the width, and 1.290 is the length. Okay, now when I measure this one from here, okay, I go like this. This is the horizontal distance. Let's see. If I click this one, what is the measurement came here? 217.88. It is not 217.788. You know that it is 940. So what you can do is that just change this to 940 mm, means it is 0.94 meter, correct? So enter. Now you see the measured length is 0.94 and change to 0.94. Now you can say that the width of the room is 940. How we check this one, I will come to that later. Okay, so we set this one. Now what happens? Okay, we set the coordinate. we set the scale. Okay, it is into meter, and the length measured is also correct now. Okay, finish it. Now do you want to check the measurement now? Before, when I measured, it was some 217 or 218 like that. Now when you measure, look at this. Okay, for this measurement also we need this. See the scale here, tape measure, it's a measuring tape in this. Okay, with this you can come here and measure. Let's see how much is it. See, now it is 940. Okay, and also from the height it is 1.290 meter we measure. Okay, let me choose this. Okay, from here the vertical distance, yeah, 1.290. I don't know, there's a 1.291, it's 290, it's all the same. Okay, so we have the correct measurement now. We set the scale. Okay, just escape, and this is gone now. So we set the coordinate, we set the scale, so the drawing is okay now. Okay, and you can see the same drawing here. Okay, the name of the room is Z Male CH room, which you have seen here before in my previous class. It's the same drawing, but I imported the AutoCAD drawing. Friends, now I think it's easy for you to import and set the coordinate and set the scale. So the drawing is ready to work. Okay, now one more thing, have a look on this. See this? You have the plan only. You got your plan. Now you have to make the building. We're now 2D. Building on this. As per the plan, we make a building with a specific height, and with the height you make the ceiling also, and on the ceiling you fix the luminaries, which will be in the next part. Okay, so we set the coordinate, we set the scale, and the drawing is ready for the work. Okay, and you can see it here. So that's about this part 4. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next part 5. Okay, part 5 will be a little more interesting, and it may take a little more time to start working on this. We'll make the wall and the ceiling, and we'll have a 3D view of the whole building, and then we go to the windows, doors, and other things like that. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I hope it's okay for you people. It's easy. Thanks for watching. Okay, by the time, by the way, I want to tell you, please subscribe this so that you will get all the information. You can continue watching this. Thank you very much. Bye.